up, guys? Welcome to a new vlog. I feel like every time I start a new vlog I'm at Gurney Mall, but I'm at Bed Bath & Beyond with Bye Bye Baby, and I am looking for some. That's cute. That is really cute. Say hey, ma.
Howdy.
So, oh, these little head things are cute.
Oh my god.
Look at that little hat. How much is that?
Oh, you see a price on it? That's a bad. That thing is bad. Oh.
So I'm in here looking for last minute things for baby girl, but earlier today my husband got me a massage, so I went and got me a massage, a prenatal massage, and it felt so good. Like, it's one of the best massages I've had in a long time. Like, I could like feel her releasing the, you know, when you have those stress, like little stress bubbles or whatever it is in your back, like, and when they massage you can just feel the tension releasing. Like, she hit all of them. Like, she did an amazing job. So I got that, and then I went, where I go? I went to Target, went to Burlington, looking for stuff. I just got some headbands. I've been looking for like little headbands like this, so I'm going to get these right here. I want to get these. I have a lot of headbands with SKYLAR, but some of them like are dirty. I know the white ones are dirty, which I'm about to throw out because they got like hair product in it, and I'm just not even going to worry about trying to clean them. So I'm just going to get some new ones. So yeah, I'm getting her some little headbands. Hopefully she has hair. We can, you know, put a little cute headband on her. But yeah, I'm looking for a coming home outfit, because the outfit that I have that I ordered, I think I told y'all, with her name on it, it may not be here in time for when she is born. So therefore I wanted to have something back up. So yeah, I'm looking. I'm gonna see what I find in here. So far, haven't really found nothing that really stands out to me. These hats are super cute. Like, look at this one. And they have white. I think these are so cute. This is cute as well. I'm gonna get this one too. This one is dirty. Let's see if we can find a clean one. We'll go ahead and pack my bag tonight, for real. And I got this little nightgown and robe matching. Y'all know I love my robes. And this one has a nightgown to match. Let me pop y'all up so y'all can see. Uh-oh. But it's just like, I love little nightgowns like this. Real cute. And it has the robe to match. Thinking about getting this little outfit for a baby girl. Maybe she can come home in that. And this is really cute. I think I'm gonna get this. She can take some pictures in this at the hospital or something. I don't know. I just think it's real cute. I wish they had pink or something, but this peach is cute. So I think that's all I have. And these are the diaper bags I'm looking at. I saw some at Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'm not sure which ones I like the best. So I'm gonna look at these a little bit more. This one right here is at the top of my list because it's on sale for $24.99. Even though my mom is getting a diaper bag, I don't know. I'm cheap, y'all. So I'm still like, even though she spending her money to get it, I'm like, this is on sale for $24.99 and it's cute. It's Steve Madden, but I don't know. And these two are cute as well. So I know she's gonna need a hair. I'm claiming that she's gonna have. I know she's gonna need a brush. I'm claiming that she's gonna have hair right now. So I'm about to get this, only $3.99. I don't think I told y'all that I got a exercising ball too. So before I left the house, I was like bouncing on the ball, doing different, you know, the different, what is it, like the different little turning on the ball, bouncing on the ball to induce labor. So all of this stuff may be working together for my good, okay? It's working together. It is, y'all, we gonna have this baby. I'm gonna go into labor soon. At least I hope so. These are cute too, guys. And you get so many of these for only $4.99. Back from the mall, and I am finally packing my bag. don't have much in there yet, but hey guys, good morning. It's the next morning, and
Hey guys.
you wanna say hey?
Hey guys, it's Grandma at the house.
Yep, grandma's in there. You wanna go in there and play with grandma?
No.
Yes.
No.
She's saying that her grandma's in there. Sean's mom is in there. My mom, you know, my mom's still here. So I'm getting ready to get some work done at the computer. Have some videos I need to edit. And a lot of you guys keep writing me like, you're not posting any videos. So I'm assuming that you're in labor. No, I wish I was. But no.
My burger on kitchen.
Yeah.
Guys.
Say it again.
Guys, my burger on the kitchen.
Yeah, I burnt my arm in the kitchen.
My burger on kitchen and your food down.
Yeah, when I was getting the food out, when I was cooking for Christmas, one of the pans burnt my arm right there. It was a scab on there, but it still came off. I'm getting ready to bounce on that thing, girl. Mari's awake, bouncing away on my bouncing ball. Y'all was bouncing on it yesterday, and I feel like either I'm sore or it was like stretching my muscles or something. I don't know what it was doing, but it was doing something. Mama, eat me an apple. And a lot of you guys have been asking, is she still in school? And the answer to that is no, she's not in school right now. They put her back like on the list, so when I do decide to enroll her again, that's what I'll do. But I took her out for various reasons, and yeah, that's that. So let me get to work, and I'll see you guys.
I see you too. You farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is.
So I should have showed y'all me cooking dinner, but so the spinach is stuffed inside with cheese, with rice on the side. How was it, Mari?
It was good.
It was good? How was it, P?
Good.
Good. How was it, KK? Good?
No. Alright, okay. It was the best.
You say hey?
Hey.
Did you like dinner, Skylar?
Yeah.
Yeah. You really liked it because Skylar really liked it. She ate a lot of it.
It was the best. It's probably the best meal that you have ever cooked.
You think so?
Yeah.
What's the best meal
The
then?
second best is that chicken that you cooked.
The baked chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to eat some baked chicken. What's up, guys? I know my face is like puffy because I just woke up, but it's the next morning and I'm getting ready to end the vlog, but I just wanted to give you guys an update and what you can look forward to for the next vlog. So basically, just a recap on yesterday. I really haven't been vlogging like that, y'all. I feel like I'm tired, and then I'm a mixture of like burnt out. Y'all know I went in December vlogging, posting videos every day, and now it's just like I'm not really doing nothing during the day, and it's like, what can I pick up the camera and vlog about? Because it'll be mostly just me talking, okay? So yeah, yesterday basically I was in the house all day. I got me a good old nap, and then when Sean got home from work, me and him went to the grocery store and we stocked up on groceries. So the refrigerator, freezer, everything is full. We have groceries, and then I cooked dinner, y'all. Dinner was so good. That chicken, what is it, chicken spinach, stuffed chicken with spinach, was so good. It was my first time making it, and y'all already know, like when I find recipes on Pinterest, I always like tweak it and add my own stuff to it. So I really wish I would have recorded it, so the next time I make it I'll remember how I made it, because I didn't go by like the recipe. I added my own stuff in, but I'll probably end up adding different stuff the next time I cook it anyways. But it was so good. Sean's mom loved it. My mom, she kind of don't eat stuff like that, but she did eat a little bit and she said it was good. But the girls loved it, and Skylar went crazy over it, y'all. So I finally found a meal that she like really loves, and she loved that spinach. So the fact she was eating those greens and she was tearing them up, I know Now I need to start cooking her more spinach. But yeah, I'm getting ready to get dressed in a little bit and head to my doctor's appointment, and I'll let you guys know how that goes in the next vlog. You guys will see all of that, and when I get back today, I'll probably do some recording and different stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go check on baby girl, see how everything is progressing, see if I dilated anymore. You know, they'll do the typical routine checkup and stuff like that. But I hope you guys are having a great day. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's vlog. I will see you guys in my next vlog.
And I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we